Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Arctic Explorer rod skin and Fish It game on Roblox Christmas update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Christmas update part 2 has been released and you'll be able to get the Arctic Explorer rod skin by finishing or completing a quest. And first of all, you can go to the Christmas Island and you need to find the Christmas cave. Okay, just follow me. And the Christmas cave opens every 2 hours, only for 30 minutes. Okay, and this is the Christmas cave. And I'm going to teleport to the Christmas cave. And you need to talk to the NPC to start the quest. Okay, you will find NPC right here. Talk to the NPC and start the quest. And I have already started the quest. And there will be 2 spots to do fishing, guys. The first one is here. Just follow these stairs. And the second one is on the right side. Okay, and you can fish here. And the quest is catching 300 fish. Wait, let me show you the quest. Okay, this is the Cave Explorer quest. Catch 300 fish as Christmas cave. And once you complete the quest, you will get the Arctic Explorer rod skin. This is how the rod skin looks like. And I'm still working on it, guys. I still need 60 fish to complete this quest. And okay guys, that's how you can get the Arctic Explorer rod skin. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.